Alrighty friends, welcome back. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of our enclosed trailer setup today. Maybe y'all can find a super slick trick or two that you can use to incorporate into your own world there. We spent 3 days on the roof, and then we didn't have long there to unload and reload the trailer. And then the next day after that, we had to go install, I think, 3 windows. And so it might be a little cluttered, a little busy, but it is what it is. As soon as you knock out one job, it seems like another one pops up there. I do have a backup camera right there on the back of the trailer there, so I can see that I'm not running over anything when I'm backing up. We do still have the generator in the trailer that we used to run the air compressor to do a roof job there. When things get a little more caught up, I will be pulling that on out of here. Then we did have to trim out some windows, so we got lots of 1x2s, 1x3s, 1x4s, 1x6s in there. We like to use a primed wood there, that way if you got it painted or something in there, it's already got the primer on it there. Then we do have some 1x and 2x, various things there. Some treed up lumber and different stuff there. Here's a little small extension cord with the tri-plug on it. You can see there is my metal rolling brake stand, aka picnic table or bunk beds. It does have the clip tech hubs on them there, so you can hang the pouches on it. There is the Walt big dog rolling double beveled, double everything rolling miter saw on the stand there. It's real handy right there on the door, so you don't have far to roll it. Makes some nice clean cuts there on your trim. We keep our sheet goods standing up there on the side there, strapped to the wall. And we do use multiple straps there. I thought we was going to have to do a lot of decking on the roof, so I think we throw in about 4 sheets of plywood there. We strapped 3 of them and buckled it down. And then we throw some more up there and then throw another strap there. That way you can unstrap and kind of get at what you need there without having the whole pile fall over on you and knock you out. There is the Tough Built track system there with a clip or 2 on it and a couple of pouches. There's an AWP belt there. If any of y'all are in the neighborhood, you want to stop by and do a day's work there, feel free there. We always got plenty of belts there. We do have some ropes hanging there for the roof there, a couple of air hoses. There is my carpenter's belt that I love the most there, the Walt Diamondback. It's got a little bit of everything there. A lot of people are asking me if I use that thing there, but yeah, I mean that's my number 1 tape there, on my number 1 chalk line. And then we do have our pencil pools, so we don't spend time wasting looking for pencils. The Guardian Fall belt there. I thought, well, it's kind of crazy to have put a tool belt on, a carpenter's belt there, when I'm already wearing a belt. So we put some clip tech hubs on it. You can see. And then I have a tough belt pouch there on my fall protection gear there already. So that was a super slick trick. I like that idea. If you're wearing a belt there, wide wear too. So, and it'll work on any there. You can slide any pouch on that if you don't like tough belt in particular. But myself, we're big tough belt fans there. Then we do have a couple of foam cushions. No, you can't roof without foam cushions. But we did not. I don't think we actually even used that. We do have a quick starter there in case that I had to throw it in here in case we didn't have enough starter shingles. What's left of a case of construction adhesive there for sealing the shingles. A couple of boxes of coil stock there. We can trim the windows out there. And there is a bunch of leftover nails that I had from a previous job. I just threw in here in case we needed them. That tub is of tarps. Before we start the roof, we do go around and weed whack the grass down to bare dirt and throw tarps down. Try to keep the area real clean. There's some plastic cap nails. In this bucket, there's a roll of that. You know, it happens, so roll with it. That's a super slick trick for today. And there the little giant leveler ladder is there. We only have one in here, but normally we roll around with 3. If we're going to do vinyl siding or anything. There is the big dog rolling DeWalt table saw. And you know, of course, we do use the E-track system. We can put a hook or strap anything down, whatever we need. If y'all got any slick tricks or great ideas for a trailer, be sure to leave it in the comments. This is a multi-use trailer there. You know, everything in here I can unload in about 10 minutes. Throw a side by side or 2 in here, and then it'd be my camper the next night. So, all in all, we really like the trailer. It is the transformer. One day it's this, and the next day it's that. I do think one thing I'm going to improve on, though, I'm going to get me a microwave and kind of mount it up there somewhere. That way we can kind of cook some food there, have a hot lunch here, without having to leave the job site. You get this 20-foot long trailer on a job site there, and then, you know, the truck's 20+ foot too there, so it's like driving a semi and a trailer there. So when you show up on a job site, it's time to get the job done and get out of there and on to the next one. That's it for today. Fancy pencil sharpener. Couldn't live without that. I think I want to mount me a pencil holder there. To hang a bunch of pencils there. Freebies there. Freebies to give you guys there if you all ever stop by and want to do a day's work. You got any ideas on what we can do to improve? Leave it in the comments. Let us know what you think. Y'all have a great day. Be sure and subscribe to the show. That's what this channel's all about, sharing ideas and tricks. You know, one little trick in life here make your life easier. You got a screw and you need a screwdriver, you know. can beat on it with a hammer all day, but it ain't gonna do you a whole lot of good. If somebody says, shows you what a screwdriver is, then all of a sudden it makes your life easy. We all about being easy. Work smart, not hard. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.